Number 1. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,600. This is a dependable and well-used full-size pickup truck with 157,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering solid performance for both daily driving and light hauling. The truck features a tan exterior and a matching tan interior, giving it a clean, uniform appearance that reflects its classic styling. This particular model is equipped with 3 doors and offers seating for up to 5 passengers, making it both practical and comfortable. It comes with a short bed, ideal for general utility while maintaining a manageable size for city or rural driving. Running on gasoline, the truck starts, drives, and shifts as it should. The check engine light occasionally comes on, but the truck remains drivable and functional. A clean title is in hand, ready for transfer to the next owner. Number 2. 1980 Chevrolet C10, price $7,000, finished in hot rod black. It features a 305 small block Chevy engine that runs great, paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual column shifter. The truck has traveled approximately 100,000 miles and runs on gasoline. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, though the shifter remains in its original manual column configuration. This C10 also features manual brakes with front disc conversion, as well as power steering, making it easier to handle despite its age. The body is in solid condition, with new rocker panels installed, solid cap corners, and solid floor pans. The interior complements the exterior's rugged appeal, and the truck maintains its classic black-on-black color scheme, with a black exterior and matching interior. Number 3. 1991 GMC C1500, price $8,900, showing 202,000 miles on the body. It has a 305 V8 engine and a 700R4 automatic transmission with only 126,000 miles on them. The truck features a striking red exterior and matching red interior, both of which are in excellent condition. A recent repaint, new body side molding, and a professionally applied Raptor spray and bedliner. Mechanically, the truck is in great shape and runs smoothly. It has a new radiator, new master cylinder, rear wheel cylinders, and brake shoes, as well as a new fuel pump and filter. The oil and filter were just changed, and it also received a new serpentine belt. To ensure a comfortable and safe ride, it comes equipped with new tires, a front-end alignment, and upgraded centerline wheels. The cold air conditioning works flawlessly, and the interior is nicely enhanced with a Momo steering wheel and a tilt column. Additional updates include a new ignition key cylinder, new blinker switch, new headlights, front parking lights, a new grille, and a new windshield with wipers and a new wiper motor. Even the doors have been refreshed with new pins and bushings, allowing them to close perfectly. Number 4. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, equipped with a strong 5.7L V8 engine and a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Finished in burgundy with a red interior, it runs on gasoline and features cold AC, a hot heater, original radio, power windows, and power locks, though the lock buttons currently don't work. Recently, it has received new fuel injectors, a throttle body service, a full tune-up, and brand new tires all around. The body is solid overall, but there is a large rusted section in the bed from a previously installed gooseneck plate, caused by moisture and feed from its time as a farm truck. A plywood sheet currently covers the area. Despite this, it runs strong and is ready to drive. Number 5. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, with 278,000 miles on the odometer. It's powered by a stock 5.7L V8 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, running smoothly on gasoline. The truck features a lowered stance, sitting on like-new 18-inch torque thrust wheels that give it a bold, aggressive look. A brand new 4-inch steel cowl hood and a new roll pan have been installed, adding to its custom appearance. The exterior is mostly flat black across the top surfaces, while the fenders, doors, and quarters are painted blue, creating a unique two-tone style. The interior is in very nice condition, with only the headliner needing replacement. The truck comes with a blue interior that pairs well with the exterior's striking contrast. Number 6. 1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. Having spent most of its life in Florida, the truck has only recently made its way to Ohio, where it has remained just as clean and well kept. It still wears its original white paint and features its factory interior, both of which are in excellent condition for the vehicle's age. Powered by its original 305 V8 engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, the truck has only traveled 90,000 miles since new. It runs and drives smoothly, reflecting the care it has received over the years. The factory-installed air conditioning still works perfectly, a rare find in a truck of this vintage. It also comes with newer tires, adding to its roadworthiness and reliability. Number 7. 1987 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,700, powered by a strong 454 big block Chevy engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission. With 155,000 miles on the odometer, it remains a solid performer and is finished in a bold red exterior with a matching interior. The truck runs on gasoline and has recently received several upgrades, including brand new Kelly Edge tires, new coil springs, a new distributor, a fresh battery, new spark plugs, and a recent oil change using high-quality Valvoline VR1 racing oil. While the mechanical condition is sound, like many Chevrolets of this era, the cab corners will eventually need attention due to typical wear. Overall, this Chevy 3500 offers reliable power, classic styling, and recent maintenance, making it a strong candidate for work or restoration. Number 8. 1978 Dodge D150, price $7,000, with an automatic transmission and a clean white exterior, giving it a timeless and rugged appearance. The current owner has already done some work on the engine to improve its performance, and despite its age, the truck runs and drives as you would expect from a well-maintained vintage vehicle. However, it does require some attention, specifically a replacement for the driver's door and window, which are currently missing or damaged. This truck was originally bought as a project with the intention of restoring it fully, but due to financial constraints, the owner is unable to finish the work. Overall, it remains a solid and dependable truck with plenty of potential for someone willing to invest the time and resources to bring it back to its full glory. Number 9. 1978 Ford F250, price $8,500. The truck is presented in a beautiful baby blue color, featuring a clean title and having traveled 97,000 miles. It is powered by an inline-six 300 motor paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The truck comes with new tires, including a spare, and has been updated with a new bench seat, headliner, carpet, carburetor, radiator, and fans. Its headlights, speedometer, windows, and radio are all fully functional. Despite some dents and dings on the body, the truck runs and drives great, capable of cruising comfortably at 60 miles per hour. Originally, the truck did not come with air conditioning, and while the heat system has been bypassed, it can be easily reinstalled. The interior is finished in black, complementing the classic blue exterior, and the truck runs on gasoline. Number 10. 1985 Ford F250, price $3,500. Under the hood, it features a strong 460 cubic inch crate engine with approximately 20,000 miles on it, delivering impressive power and torque. The engine is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission that shifts smoothly and adds to the truck's authentic driving experience. With a total of 122,000 miles on the chassis, this truck has clearly been cared for and remains in excellent running condition. Finished in a brown exterior with a striking red interior, the truck has a bold, vintage look that stands out on the road. It is a rear-wheel drive, 2WD model, powered by gasoline, and is ideal for both everyday use and weekend hauling or restoration projects. The interior, though classic in style, is comfortable and functional.